to another video of
Today
we will be taking apart a remote control car Ferrari. Let's get into it. So you gotta start with your screwdriver. Gotta put it in that little hole there. Yeah. Or then just take it out. Yeah. And then just mix the other. And then you're going to take them out and also collect these. Flip. I think it will come off. Whatever it's supposed to be. Anyway. I'll tell you. That there is. See? What I'm doing. You just do the flat side, but it can be bigger than that. And it will just come up. Like that. Oh, and then you're gonna. Oh yeah, get your screws out. Where's my screw go? Oh, there's my screw. Alright. And then you're gonna be doing that screw there. That screw right there. Right in here. Wait in there, dude. In there. Alright. And then you went to, and then you're going to, just gonna do it. Push down these. You'd see, push down these. And that makes your car weird. Oh, and then you. Oh no, let's actually continue. Actually, I'll be back when I have got these two screws off. Alright, so I've taken out the screws. It takes a long time. But you gotta try and take these out. So you gotta take off the cover. And it will look like this. Like that. Let's screw this now. There. Put there. Screw there. These three at the front. Those three. At the front. Also keep your screws from your other project. Just be careful. Alright, and then you take off that cover and just wipe out all that stuff. That's the capacitor. This is a twin motor to control these wheels. That's the circle. Alright, right now I'm going to be telling you what everything it is. And then I might put it back together. Alright, look at all that deep stuff in there. Oh, is there a capacitor in there? Interesting. Oh, these just pulled off straight away. What was I saying? So put these, don't let these fall out because they can fall out and you don't want them getting. And then you're just going to put in that hole right there. easily, but it's not very easy. Alright. So I can put these wheels back on. It's a bit hard when they fall off. These and springs and also have the screws. We're going to be now taking apart the remote control. Not remote car. The remote controller. Control the car. So you screwed out the middle one. And then alright, and then you do and then you do this one. And then you go take the other side screw out. Need a battery. Let's just take the batteries out before we weigh this. And then I think it may. There's a photo one. With me, trimming up wheel. And also do this with the car. I was wrong, there's a couple more screws. Alright. There's one screw in here on the right or left on the screen, but on my right screen. And there's one on the left. And you're just gonna take that out. And then there's one on the top. Yeah, there's one on the top. Maybe chip it over sometimes. Alright, that came out. Alright, now sure it's come off. No, usually came off. That's weird. I think we're going